of your pants. You actually do.
What?
You have a hole in your pants.
Are you serious? Oh my gosh.
Barbra Streisand.
You've never seen Forrest Gump?
I think I have. I've seen like parts of it.
Yeah, I was kidding. I just saw it for the first time yesterday. No!
Why is it called
My dad just shut the door. Alright, so they're all, hi, I'm a llama. And we're like, yeah, nice hat.
Vogue. Like,
Reeve Carvey.
why is that guy covered in oil on your shirt?
Because he's the greased up deaf guy, obviously. I said he's the greased up deaf guy.
Why is he deaf? I can hear.
Oh wait, there's music playing.
Wow, I can hear my water sloshing. Why were you saying what and going like this? That makes
I
no
don't
sense.
know.
How long is this?
It's 10 minutes long. German Care Bears.
Okay, restart. We have to do this without laughing.
Okay.
Wait.
We have to get through the full 3.5 minutes.
How long was that?
That was 10 seconds. Okay, ready? We're making it through the part where they take a bucket and dump out the rainbow, alright? We're making it through.
Okay.
Okay.
3. Wait. It's always not like that solid part. When she's like, solid.
So we lean out solid. Oh my gosh. I want to know what happens next.
Dude, you chewed right when it ended. You're like, jump and it stopped.